Welcome back. Villagers of Kortali have demanded to stop heavy vehicular traffic via Kortali-Loturi Road. They want the heavy traffic to be diverted via Venna Industrial Estate. Villagers demand posting a traffic police during school hours, proper signboards and speed breakers in the accident-prone stretch. Agitated villagers handed over a memorandum to the local MLA and Minister Alina Saldana on Thursday.
I'm going straight to the Secretariat. I'm going to meet CM to keep him updated about what has happened and also to ensure that CM also intervenes so that immediate action is taken to see that this road, the Kortali-Lotoli road, which is very narrow, is made safe for the pedestrians.
Deputy Collector Gauri Shankwalkar said Panchayat should resolve a diversion of heavy traffic from Kortali via Venna.
तांच्यांनी ऑलरेडी नवे स्पीड ब्रेकर घालपाक आमचे कडेन थोडी एप्लिकेशनां दिल्ली ती खंय पेंडिंग आसा ती हांवें तांकां सांगलां इमिजिएटली वर फुटिंगाचेर घेता. नंबर 2 इज नवे सायनबोर्ड्स जे तांकां घालूंक जाय ते नवे सायनबोर्ड्स घालता आनी नंबर 3 म्हणल्यार जे पुलीस कॉन्स्टेबल आसा पुलीस ट्रॅफिक पुलीस जे डिप्लॉय करूंक जाय ड्युरींग स्कूल आवर्स तांचो मेन डिमांड आसा की ड्युरींग स्कूल आवर्स ट्रॅफिक कॉन्स्टेबल डिप्लॉय करचे.
But locals are annoyed with the Panchayat, claiming the authorities to be dormant.
तो कुट्टाळे ब्रिज सरकना ते ट्रॅफिक सगळे सायड हेवी ट्रॅफिक सायड वयता आनी ते एक्सिडेंट जाता. आज 8 एक्सिडेंट जाले भुरगीं मरोन गेलीं गाडमरे 8 कोणे एक्शन घेतली ना आनी आमी पंचायतूय मातशी आमची लूज आसा. पंचायत काय एक्शन घेयना. पंचायत लूज आसा. पंचायत एक्शन काय पंचायत मिटींग करता वयता.
Hit by a tanker at this spot had claimed life of a 15-year-old SSC student on Wednesday. Final rites were performed on the dead body of Celia Fernandez at St. Philip's Church in Kortali on Thursday. Reported Dishant Parab for Prudent. India's premier club football competition I-League will resume on Tuesday after a break of over a month. With Goa hosting Lusophobia games in this period, football stadia at Fatorda and Vasco have been refurbished. However, the long-term venue for I-League remains undecided at this moment. Tilak Stadium in Vasco will host the first 3 matches of the I-League second phase beginning on 11th February.
Again using his pace. Where's the
top-flight Indian football competition? The I-League will resume on Tuesday at recently refurbished Tilak Stadium in Vasco. The stadium has been upgraded at a cost of over 6 crore rupees, with Lusophobia games football group stages being played here. The local I-League teams will have to adjust to the natural grass once again after playing the first phase matches on the artificial turf at Duer ground. The Nehru Stadium, which has also been upgraded, is not yet ready for I-League matches, as coaches of I-League clubs have complained about the uneven ground. However, the premier Goan Stadium has not yet been ruled out as a host of I-League matches for the future games of the season. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.